Hello! So, we are done with the first layout. I know this is not my usual look, but I actually super duper like it. I'm on the cover with Lorene. She's doing her makeup. Oh, so this one, 3 more together. So, yung next is together na kami. Oh, I see, I see.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try.
So this is for the cover na talaga, no? So cute.
Actually guys, nasa La Union kami.
Thank you for bringing the shoot
here. Alam mo yung mga 2000s na Christina Aguilera, Britney Spears.
Tapos low waist. With a belt.
This.
Yeah.
Kakanta na siya mamaya ng Genie in a Bottle.
Haven't before. Look at us, no dancing now, skin to skin. If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me, gonna make them jealous every.
Hello! So I am finally done. We did a total of 4 layouts. One with just myself and then the other 3 with Lorene. And then we have like, you know, the usual digital cover and then we have moving covers as well. So that's really exciting because I haven't done anything like that before. The whole vibe and theme is like Y2K but very high fashion.
Kanya, bakit kay James Reid tsaka kay Erwan maganda
Si
yan?
James Reid yun.
Ay! Napadami. She a coke or something. Ang bango.
Babae talaga. Actually, hindi men.
Parang shopping bag since in line siya with our morning na theme. Let's go, boy. Go. Let's go.
Kumain na sila? Hello, baby. You eat na. Oh, no! Hello? You wanna eat also? I need to eat because I need to drink my meds, ate. Good morning, peoples! And I just finished eating breakfast. Had to eat early kasi I'm on antibiotics, so I have to take it on time. So, feeling ko it's also because of too much chocolate. Nung nag-Lula meeting kami sa office, katabi ko yung jar ni Jamie ng chocolates. I think I finished around 6 to 8 pieces of Twix. And we are such in an unfamiliar place. Andito ko sa guest room namin. So, this is my brother's old room, but we kind of turned it into a guest room already. So, there's like bunk beds here. So that when Mika and Koy are sleeping over, they have a place to stay. As in, yun talaga yung sinabi ni Mama. Pag mag-sleep over si Mika and si Koy, may place na sila to stay. And my mom is so done with me and my online shopping na bawal na daw namin iwan yung mga parcels sa baba kasi hindi na daw mukhang bahay yung bahay namin. So, dito niya nilagay lahat. I'm extremely excited for this because these are my 7/7 purchases. But don't worry, I'm not gonna show everything to you guys. Baka mabore kayo. I got some contact lens. Sobrang cute! Kasi minsan, pag nakikilala ko nung Lazada shop, nagpapadala sila ng more. I just wanna say, you don't have to. I'm willing to pay for them. Oh! Sinundan nila yung grade ko. My grade is 75, 175 kasi. Ito yung mga binili ko. Nakita niyo ba? They sent me brown and black. Yan yung brand. Wala akong makitang dailies. You guys know I use dailies all the time. But, ang hirap maghanap ng dailies sa grade ko na may color. Mishi, show your glasses. Come here. So we're about to sleep. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna cook for Mishi. I'm gonna try to cook for Migy. I'm gonna go to the office and we're gonna fix some PR packages. Ito yung reason ba't galit siya kanina. Ay, hindi daw bagay sa kanya. Bagay naman ah.
Okay lang. Pangit lang talaga ako.
Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit kay James Reid tsaka kay Erwan maganda
Si
yan?
James Reid yun. Si James Reid yun.
Sabi niya mag-movie night daw kami. Sabi ko, Conjuring ang papanoorin namin.
Naku po. I don't know. Hindi ko ata kaya eh.
Eh bakit mo ko inaaya kahapon Conjuring? Hindi niya pala kaya yung Conjuring.
Mayabang lang ako.
Mayabang ka lang.
Ano, Conjuring? Pag Gina. Eh, baka matakot. Hindi ako makapagbaba mag-isa.
Bye, girl. See you later. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, babies. Aw, don't be sad, Bobo. I'll see you later.
Bye! See you later! Hello, peoples! I am waiting for Mishi. We are going to the office because... Ayan na pala si Mishi. So yung susi ng kotse. Ay, nakalabas si Levi! Nakalabas si Levi? Bye! Oh no!
Say bye-bye to mama.
Bye-bye, love!
Bye-bye, baby.
Ingat. Okay, let's go. Alright, laddie. Hello, people! So I am back here in the office and I'm gonna be preparing lunch for Mishi. Kami lang ni Migy here in the office right now. Sakto, merong scallops dito. So, I'm gonna try to cook it. And tinuruan kasi ako ni Jamie how to cook the shrimp, if you remember last time. And it's kind of similar to that. And I feel like this is the only type of cooking I can do. And it's Mishi's favorite as well. Baby, look! Lovey!
Thanks, babe.
Scallops. Maubos kaya natin to? Ay! Napadami! Sorry po. Alright, so we'll be, I don't know, sauteing, I don't know the right term, garlic and butter. I don't know the right tools to use. Ooh, smells good.
Bango yan ah.
she a cook or something. Ang bango! Ay, medyo brown na siya. Guess what? Nasunog ko yung garlic. So, medyo binawasan ko na lang. Ay, ang sad. Nasunog ko siya. So, preheat ko na yung oven and now I'm gonna put some cheese. Quick nut cheese. Hindi nabubuo yung cheese. Do you want a lot of cheese, babe? So, kung magaling po kayo magluto, niyo po ako i-judge. Me is trying. Kapal naman sila, so mag-melt sila. We're done! So, we're just gonna wait for it. Mga 15 minutes. Natatawa ako. Sana talaga tama yung ginawa ko. Yay! Okay, let's go.
Can I eat?
Yeah, I'll get rice.
Yeah,
And
let's go, let's go.
we can eat.
We have cheese for you. Mapait medyo. Actually, hindi medyo.
Ah! Sama mo!
Bakit? Nasunog mo ba?
Oh, look at my...
Masarap naman. Medyo may mapait lang talaga. Right?
Alisin mo na lang yung garlic. Both are from Casa Okio. Sobrang cute. Sarap naman. Medyo nasunog lang yung garlic galala. Next time, alam ko na, babe. Eee, dati ganito sa akin eh. Gusto mo lang ako pakuhanin ng treats mo eh. Talino ka talaga eh. No, we're not gonna get treats. So, I'll be packing yung mga PR packages namin na provincial. So, yung mga friends namin na sa province nakatira, iba kasi yung courier nila. And we have to box it. Yes, bro! We're waiting for Jamie. Hindi ko alam kung galit ka ba or kung gusto mo ba eh. So, this is our PR package for the Lula Club notebook. So, we wanted to change things a bit. So, the last one was a box. So, now, it's parang shopping bag since in line siya with our morning na theme. Pwede din siyang beach bag. Super magagamit nila. And we have this personalized the Lula Club ribbon that you can definitely use in so many ways. Like, I use ribbons as like hair ties, hairband. So this one is going to Cebu to burn. We're giving them 2 notebooks so that we feel like best yung color for them. We also included our favorite tumbler. We super love it kasi the color is perfect. The colors are very Lula. And then, hindi nagsusweat yung tumbler na to. And it's also double-walled. So, hindi mabilis lumamig or hindi mabilis uminit yung mga cold drinks nyo. So, yan. Iba-iba yung color actually ng tumbler. This is the tag na ilalagay ko sa box. And this is our thank you card. So cute! Yan. Pwede ko na yun sa ilalim. Excuse me. pack you. Sige. I'll pack you. Oh, here. This is yours. Oh. Hi, Gru. Hi, you wanna help me? I was taking a nap and... Say hi, Scar.
I was just giving them a switch.
Say hello.
All along there was a switch.
Okay.
Okay, pandas and dinosaurs. Like, this one's the panda, and there was another one, dinosaur.
But you chose this one, yeah. That's cute. Look at this baby. Ay, sus. Oh, look at her. I look at him. Gusto ko siyang gigilin, pero hindi kasi pwede. Bel. So, nag-watch lang ako ng mga crime scene documentary. What's the right pronunciation? Documentary. Yeah, documentary. And then later, we're gonna go to Seoul Gipsal in Tomas Morato. Kasi the ones serving in that branch are our staff. Patapos na kasi yung training nila. So, observe namin sila mamaya.